friends! So today I'm going to be baking cookies, but since I'm not very good at baking, I asked my Ima to help me. So you're gonna see us making these cookies together. And these cookies are special because they have a special ingredient, which is lemons. So they're gonna be lemon cookies, and we're gonna put lemon icing on top of them. So here's how we make them. So we preheated our oven, which means that it's warming up. And so the first thing we do after that is we are going to zest our lemons, which is a funny word, zest, but that just means that we take this grate, is that what it's called? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And we just put our lemon skin, just not peeled or cut, just whole, and we drag it across the top like that. And it's gonna create something very yellow that looks like that, and we're gonna have a lot of that. And it turns out, just like our last video, we have a helper in the kitchen. So next we need lemon zest, and we also need lemon juice from this lemon. So you've seen me juice a lemon or a lime maybe before, but we have a different thing we're gonna use today. It does the same thing. So you put the lemon on here, I'll show you, and then when you open this up, there's juice in there. Okay, so as you can see, I squeezed 2 lemons, cut them in half, so there's 4 parts. And you can see all of the seeds and the pulp of the lemon is all on the top because it's too big to go through those little slits. But if I open it up, there's juice in there, lemon juice. So we're gonna use that in the cookies. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna mix is the butter. So we're gonna put it in to our mixer. So instead of stirring it with our hands, this is gonna do it. It's a machine that is made for that. You might have one at home. So now we're gonna add 3 more ingredients to our smooth butter. We're gonna add powdered sugar, our lemon zest that we made, and some of our lemon juice. So my Ima's gonna add that right now. Okay, the last ingredient we're going to add to make the cookies is flour. So there it is. We're gonna put it in the mixer. Okay, so now it's all mixed. All of the ingredients, the lemons and the flour and the sugar and the butter are all together in one ball. And so what we need to do now is we need to make little balls and put them on this tray in little circles like this so that they can become cookies. Now they're flat like these usually are. So we're gonna put the rest on the tray and then we're gonna put them in the oven. All right, the cookies are all on the tray, so now we're going to put them in the oven to bake. So now what we're going to do is make some icing to go on top of the cookies when they come out of the oven. So we're gonna make that right now. And it uses a lot of the same ingredients. So we're gonna add powdered sugar. We're gonna add lemon zest, like before. We're gonna add lemon juice. And then the last thing we're going to add is milk. And then we're gonna mix it all together and it's gonna become an icing to go on top of the cookies. So since it's gonna be lemon, and lemons are what color? They're yellow. So we're gonna make the icing yellow so that you know that it's lemon when you eat it. So we're gonna add some yellow food coloring. And that's gonna make it more yellow than it already is. All right, friends, so the cookies are out of the oven now, and we're going to put our icing on top. And you see, it's yellow, like a lemon, so we know what the flavor is. And I'm just gonna be drizzling it like this. You ready? All right, friends, so our cookies are all done with their yellow frosting, and so now all we have to do is eat them. I hope you enjoyed watching my Ima and me make cookies, and they turned out very yummy, so you can make them at home if you want, and I'll see you soon. Bye!